All right, guys, here we are at the Oaks and close to Philadelphia, Mid-Atlantic Car Show, a Mid-Atlantic Indoor National. So let's have a look around, check out some of these badass cars, and yeah, you know how I like to roll. All right, look at this sweet thing, man. Whew. This is Tony's badass ride. Look at that. That green pops, doesn't it? Nice and clean. He used to have a really big display. So he's slowing down a little bit, so awesome. All right, you guys have seen this 55 before. This is Mike and Don's Sweet 55. I might be putting these wheels on my 55. It just looks so good, man. Look at that, that's pretty. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Actually, I say Mike and Don, but this is Don's car. Mike has a Nova, so. All right, cool. Today's the day. I figured I'd seen you today. Oh, that's very sweet. That's pretty cool. He does some amazing work. The owner of this, Mike, he does all this work. He's the blower guy, too. So, he has a beautiful Studebaker with a blower. But he's the blower guy. Awesome car. And Larry Brooks, old school race car, still shows amazing. I mean, here, look at that. Look at that. Probably pretty good on fuel, right? What? Yes, sir. Shows great, doesn't it? Nice, nice. All right, this car. Look at the chrome. You can even chrome plastic nowadays, he was telling me. Look at that. I mean, he got this thing looking pretty. Oh, yeah, he did have a model built from Jim Clatterbuck. Does these amazing miniatures. He had that one done a while ago. Sweet. Look at that. Got the houndstooth in there. Nice. Beautiful car. Got Don's Roush. Sweet. Look at that. Oh, man. Nice. And that mother is a beast. Look at that thing. She's a straight race car. Look right here. Popping a wheelie. Awesome. Very nice. Very nice. See, it's got that wheel combo that I like too. We'll see. I'm still very confused. All right, we got Dave's amazing Camaro. The bittersweet part about this is this is the last day of the last indoor show. But we got plenty of outdoor shows coming up, including Ocean City, a whole bunch of other ones. We might even go to Ohio this year. So awesome. This car is just so pretty. I love the paint on this thing. All right, and of course, we got the coupe is here. Looking good. The old truck. Hi. Got the cool truck. This is Tracy's truck. She did a hell of a job on this thing. It's a new build. This is the first season of showing, and it's doing well. And we got Jeff's new ride here. Y'all saw this in the last one. Pretty sweet. Just old school cool right there, man. Yeah, buddy. We got this beautiful Camaro. They also have a really nice truck. Hi, buddy. That's a nice car. Not as nice as the truck, though, right? I gotta give him a hard time. It's a beautiful car. Look at that. Look at that thing. So this paint is 17 years old. It was treated with the Icon and get another 17 years out of it. Once again, I'm not selling it. I'm just looking out for my friends. Look at this thing. Blowing up. Awesome. All right, you're in for a treat here. Check out this. First of all, look at this beautiful car. Right? Beautiful interior. And then check this out. A brand new Hemi power plant in that thing. You've all seen this one before. Jeez, man, that is a setup right there. And he runs this thing. He drives this bad boy. So that's nice, right? Sweet. For all my Dodge boys, look at that. Mopar, I should say, right? Awesome there. We got another beautiful 55. That's nice. Sweet. And this truck is so cool. It's got so many little mods on it, it's not even funny. And it's got a removable top, as you can see right there. But he's got the top on it, but it's got a removable top. Just a lot of modifications. Let me back up and let you get a good view on this thing. Sweet, sweet. Oh man. And then you know we like some big old power. Yeah, 2 of them bad boys on that thing. Sweet. Like I say, bittersweet that this is the last show. Got vendors here as well. Got Jeff's beautiful Camaro. That's always a very beautiful car. Shows so well. And he'll run the wheels off of this thing too. Yeah, buddy. All right, check this pretty Chevelle out. That is clean. That is one clean ride there. Yep. Sweet. And there's Ross's truck. As always, super clean. Nice. It's an older build, but I tell you what, once again, it stands the test of time. It's just so many cool things on it that it just keeps looking good. It just keeps doing it. Beautiful 69. Custom glass on that thing. Just awesome. Good morning. Badass Chevelle. Small block. That's the one we saw yesterday as well. And this thing here is cool. There's a lot of little modifications done to this one, and it's clean. I'm telling you, this thing is clean. Very nice. Yeah. Super nice. Shows so well. Look at that. So we're gonna have a 4-door, man. That's how you do it. Got them dupes with that big blower on that thing. Oh, that's awesome. And some fat tire on there. And a nice wing. And we got Randy's badass Nova. Ready? We got a Pro Charger on this thing. Very nice, clean. And he runs the wheels off this thing. So when we're in Ocean City, this one is going to be at Outer Banks and running the car. I mean, they cruise this thing the whole damn weekend. So awesome. So if you see him out, you can say hi to him. He's a real down-to-earth, genuine guy you can talk to. Look for the big beard. right, these are always cool. When we go to Macungie, these guys here come to Macungie. They said just cool. I mean, so badass. They got a couple of rides, but and this one, I just love this, man. Have a look at that. That is cool. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Oh, look at that one. We'll get there. All right, guys. If you know me, you know I love these damn Willys. Look at that. Big old blower. Stuffed in a beautiful Willys. They just look nasty. They just look mean, don't they? Big pipe coming out the side. That's nice work, too. Look at them welds. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Got a carbon fiber on the doors. Beyond fat tires. That's beyond fat. And I got a cool wing. I like the wings on the Willys. A lot of people don't like the wings on the cars, but man, on the Willys, I think if it's done like this, that shit is the way to go, man. Awesome. Beautiful car. Nice ride. Alright, so this ain't a muscle car, but check it out. It's a convertible top. Now, it's custom because he's got it chopped up top there. And I guess he had the top made up, but you know that's unique. Alright, man, we got a big block in this one. Got that hot rod black going on this thing. Looking nasty as can be. Got some fat tires out the back for sure. That's a good show. Last show. It just happened so quick. So, all right. And we got our buddies over here for the Grounded for Life crew. Very cool. Good group of guys. Got some nice shit here. Look at that one. Sitting on the ground there. Whew. She down there. She low. Look at that right there. That's serious right there. Oh wow, check it out. Grounded for Life, see it? That's pretty awesome. She low too. Oh wow, that's clean, huh? We've all seen this truck before. I do a video on it whenever I see him. Always nice. Clean. Oh, look at that, man. Look at this paintwork on the side of this thing. Holy smoke. Nice. This color right here, it's a candy red, but it looks more of a wineish color, but man, that is a beautiful color. Very cool. Alright, this is a clean little car, and from what I understand, he drives it a pretty good amount of his time, so, and he's old drag racing from what I heard as well. So, pretty cool. I mean, it's nice. I like that color. She kind of pops there. Sweet. Very nice. Very nice. And this 41 is always so nice. blower motor. Really cool. She just old school cool again, man. I love that. A nice setup too. And this is just awesome. Nice clean car, built right. Got a flat head over there. Plenty of chrome. Yeah, buddy. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Now we got this 32 Roadster. It's good to see him out. He was having a few little health issues. He's got this one and he's got another 32 Coupe. Just sweet. Nice car. Really, really nice car. Look at all that chrome under that rear. Ooh-wee. Awesome. And good to see him out. Look at that. Pretty 57. Nicely done. Nicely done. Plenty of chrome on there. Very nice. Chevy Bel Air. Very nicely done. Sweet. All right, now this Chevelle, not to be mistaken for that. That one we had in earlier, but this thing, I mean, if you could see this thing in person, this is the cleanest Chevelle. So nicely done. Paint is beautiful. Chrome is beautiful. Look at the interior. Freaking nice. Oh yeah, and this thing sounds like a beast. And this family is just good people too. I mean, they're just nice people. Nice, dependable motor there. You see that? I remember there was a time where I wouldn't want to even look at an LS or anything like that. But now, I get it, man. I get it. Got to move ahead. Sometimes there's no room for us old guys. Alrighty. This thing came in sounding like a beast. Well, this is a beast, man. But she sounded good. Look at that. Got us some meat back there. I just like the old race cars. I just like the old race cars. Stuff like this is why this channel got started. Because I just enjoy doing these videos for the old cars. I want to show you one other car over here. Look at this. Got us some meat out back. This thing runs good too. One year he had this car over there, him and his daughter's car, and they were set up like the fronts were lifting like they were drag racing. It was a nice, cool display. Sweet. Some people mistake these for Chevelles, but clearly not. Clearly not. Look at this thing. I was speaking to this gentleman. He said the paint was in poor condition because this is an older build. I mean, when I say old, I show you what old. But he said he had the paint redone. Excuse me, not redone. Restored a little bit. You know what I mean? But check this out. This is a Riddler Award winner from 1993. It was a feature build back in 93. But I'm telling you what, this bad boy still shows beautiful. Let me see if I can get down here and see what's under this thing. You can't really see. That's in the mirror. But I hear it's beautiful up underneath of there. So we'll see how well he does. (1940) Ford. Alright guys, so this is the Icon treatment. And this is the half side treated. And the side's not. And he literally can scratch this panel and then heat it with a torch and melt it back out. And you get coverage. See the thickness of that? So, great protector. So let's go look at the car. Alright, so the old coupe had swirl marks in it, and Icon takes it right out of there. This right here was pretty swirled up, and the Icon took it right out. But this thing has never looked better. And so far, I mean, I cannot say anything bad about the treatment. So if anybody is interested in the Icon, I'm not making any money off this. I'm just looking out for my friends. But if anybody needs to know more about Icon, you can get in touch with the Icon dealer or message me. And that's Dwayne right there. He's the applicator. And yeah, if you need to know more about it, ask me and I will surely direct you in his direction, okay? I'll try to get you a number. Hold on. All right, here we go. There you go. Yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, message me below or give Dwayne a call. And yeah, just tell him that Joe sent you. So, all right, guys, like again, if you have any questions, call me. All right, check out this little unique thing, huh? So apparently, it looks like a mail Jeep in the middle here, and then everything else is built around it. That's wild. Definitely wild. And we absolutely have to give the truck some love here. These things, so first of all, trucks are through the roof. And then they start adding these modifications to it. And I'm telling you, these bad boys, look at that, that's beautiful. These bad boys can take your wallet empty, man, and look good as can be. So DC Custom Wheels, fabrication, right there. Right there, guys. If you need anything for your truck, hit these guys up, man. They're awesome. This beautiful red truck right here, he used to show that one all the time. I can't even describe how beautiful and well done that truck is. I mean, it is just over the top, but it's beautiful. Look at that. Top dog. Big old dually for your dually guys. Oh, look at the old school Ram. It's a power wagon, right? Nice. All right, more truck love. More truck love. That's nice right there, huh? Nice little Dodge Power Wagon, a little bit older. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Got us an old Ford here. Yep, look at that one. They're playing music over top, so hopefully I can drown it out by just speaking, right? It's hard to say. This is always beautiful. They do a great job. And then look at this thing over here. So look at that, man. Friggin' amazing, right? How about that grocery getter, right? Man. Cool. All right. Got us a 2000 Ford, all custom out. Look at that. That's what I mean. Look at all the money sitting under there, man. Nice. And that thing's really sweet. She's a big one. And I wanted to catch the back of this. This thing's beautiful right here. So, alrighty, cool. Alright guys, how cool is this? It's a rear engine Nissan Acura. Every time I see this thing, look at that, it's badass. Every time I see this, I have to get it on video. The gentleman owns it. He is a really cool guy. I met him several years ago. He follows the channel. And yeah, it's a pleasure running into you this weekend, buddy. And thanks for the good deal on the Amex. Last I saw you, I checked on you, make sure you were doing fine. I hope you made it home safe again. See you, buddy. All right, look at this place. Oh, there's Don. Don's here with that beautiful Mustang. So many cool cars. I'm gonna try to get you another video out, but it's hard to get all the cars because the crowds start rolling in, and then it's hard to get any filming done. So anyway, thanks for checking this out, and we will talk to you soon.